It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
If your wood floors are scratched, faded, or damaged, you may not need to replace them. Tad Hall from New Millennium Floors is here to share how you might be able to give them new life by having them refinished. Thanks for joining me today.
Nice to be here.
I'm really excited about this because I have wood floors. So what is refinishing? How do we bring them back to life?
Some floors may need to be taken all the way back down to bare wood because they've been damaged to the point where just doing a simple screen and coat, which would entail just scratching up the surface and putting on a coat of new finish, might not be enough to fix the damage that's been done.
So we have some options when it comes to maybe the level of which we need to refinish.
Yes.
So how bad can it get?
It can get really bad. You could have a floor that may have been flooded at some point and has buckled, or maybe it's just been covered with carpet for 25, 30 years and it's really worn underneath.
Yeah, you get pet stains that sink through, red wine stains that sink through.
Absolutely.
And those go through the carpet to whatever's underneath it.
Yeah, and a lot of times pets like to go in the same place over and over again and you don't see it. So it's just damaging the floor really badly.
So
underneath.
Even that type of floor can be brought to life without needing to be replaced?
Yes, especially a solid wood floor, which is what most of the older homes, if you're on a raised foundation and you're not on concrete, you probably have wood floors. Maybe it has carpet on it. Maybe you just bought a house and peeled back the carpet and see that there's wood floors there. They may not look good from a first glance, but we could take it down to bare wood. There may be pet stains. We can replace those boards. If there's a lot of pet stains throughout the house, then we can stain the floor a darker color that masks and hides all those colors and make the floor look brand new again.
So it sounds like really it's all about just having you and New Millennium Floors come to the house, check out the current status of the floor, and you're going to guide homeowners to what's available to them, and they can kind of make the educated choice.
Yeah, I usually give them several options. We kind of need to get a feel for what the customer wants as far as the final result. If they want a light colored floor, a dark colored floor, that's going to steer us in different directions as far as what we're going to do.
Great, thank you so much. Bring your floors back with the help of New Millennium Floors. Your wood floors can be refinished and helped out today.